Now, some Android phones support reverse charging feature. What this means is that you can charge other devices, like your phone or your earbuds, with this Android phone. In this video, we'll be telling about how to charge other devices with your phone that support reverse charging. For that, first thing is that you need a Type-C to Type-C cable. That means both sides should be Type-C. After that, you need to connect this to both devices. You can connect in any order. When you're connecting, charging will be started. Now, above, you can see my phone is charging. Here you can see that charging sign.
And sometimes you can see a pop-up message in your phone like this. If you want to transfer data, you can select that. But in this case, we are not doing any data transfer, so you can select no data transfer. If you're selecting data transfer also, charging will take place. Anyways, for just charging, click on no data transfer. So anyways, here you can see charging is going on. So this way you can easily charge any device using your phone that supports reverse charging. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.